Today, I'm going to be putting together my new Vevor creeper slash chair. It's actually pretty cool. It actually folds up into like a stool. So I've always just had one of those cheap plastic Walmart, $20 creepers. Very uncomfortable. And the more that I've kind of worked on cars, the more I realized, you know what, I might need to splurge a little bit and get something a little nicer. So picked up this nice Vevor unit. And again, I'm going to sort of show you all the pieces. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to put it together. And then we're going to use it. So stick around to learn more about the Vevor creeper. Alright guys, so to start, you're going to have basically this long part that's going to be the bottom. Sort of this middle piece that you can see kind of fits right in there. And then the part with, at least in mine, the Vevor name on it is kind of the head that goes at the very top. So to start, it tells you in the instructions, you do have to pay a little bit of attention because they are a little bit confusing, but they do tell you what each piece is, so you do need to pay attention to that. Essentially what you're going to do though is use these little M8 sort of lock nuts with the hex head on the top to go on the top of your casters. So these actually will screw down onto the top of your caster wheels. So you're going to start by these 4 holes here, running these casters up through them, and then securing them again with these M8 nuts that will go on top. They do provide this little Allen wrench which fits for these things, so it makes it just really easy. You don't need any tools or anything like that. Alright, so after you get your 4 wheels in here, with those M8 sort of locking nuts. Then you've got 4 bolts that are going to go through these, the only 4 holes that are left. So right through there with the lock nuts on the inside, I do need to tighten these down. But then that allows you to attach the head piece here too, and then I still got to put casters on the bottom of that. But again, I'm going to tighten down these 4 bolts that hold everything together. I'm going to add the 2 casters into the pre-tapped holes here. But then the cool thing about this too is you pull that locking pin on the side over here out, like that, and it transforms into a stool, so you can sit on it, pull the locking pin out, down it goes back into a creeper. So it's a pretty cool design, pretty sweet. All right, so now all I have to do is tighten down these 4 bolts and nuts. Just FYI, they are a 12 mil head. All right, so the last step here, you can see there are these pre-threaded holes in here. Those are for the last 2 wheels. I'm basically just gonna screw those in there, and once that's done, I'm done. Alright guys, so that was how to put together the Vevor creeper slash stool. This thing is really super cool, and it's a really good budget price. So I will put a link in the description down below if you want to pick one up. There's also be a discount code down there, so hopefully that'll help save you a couple bucks. If you have any questions about it, of course, post up in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a lot of gear reviews, do a lot of do-it-yourself, budget-minded modification videos, and then like newbie overlander slash camping stuff. So if you're into any of that stuff, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Also in the description down below are links to all my social channels. So again, wherever you want to hang out, come hang out. Love to have you. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.